147, 148, 149, 150. Oh, hi!
Hello, cruise lover. If you love cruise food but do not love coming home heavier, this video, Carnival Firenze Gym Tour, What to Expect, is for you. Stay with me because I'm going to show you what to expect inside the Carnival Firenze Fitness Center and share simple ideas to help you enjoy your cruise and the food without feeling guilty about every bite and still have fun. Is that cool or what? I'm so excited!
Hello, I'm Sadie. My husband and I have been cruising for 26 years. We're still loving it, and it keeps our relationship smoking hot. We cruise, shop, find bargains, relax, enjoy life, and save money while having fun. Need Spanish for travel? ¿Cuánto cuesta? ¿En cuánto me lo deja? Le doy $10. These are some of the phrases you can learn to bargain in Spanish. Just go to our playlist. Are you over 50? Great! You found the right channel. Like and subscribe, and thank you for your support.
Who doesn't love a little sweat or a lot of sweat? You had to want to work out. This is not a chore or a punishment. This is to improve your life to the next level. Take it to the next level. This is so nice. I did it. 5 sets of 10. If we want to lift heavy, you have to lift heavy. I can do it. Keep getting heavy to see. I want energy for sea days, for ports, for shopping, and for all that cruise food. So on Carnival Firenze, the gym is my friend, not my enemy. In a few minutes, I will walk you through the gym. You had to lift heavy, but less times, less repetition, heavier weight. If you can do light and more repetition, or heavier and less repetition. So I did 5 of 20 pounds. I will also share my experience with weight gain and weight loss on different cruises and give you a fun, simple, and an easy way to remember how to stay moving on board. That was good. Muscle. It's gonna keep burning even after I finish that panna cotta.
How are you guys?
Pretty good.
Good, good. Unfortunately, we're not open yet.
Oh, you're not open?
For today, 5 p.m. to 10 p.m.
Oh, you already ended? Oh,
No,
you're
start.
open 5 to 10.
5 p.m. to 10, yes.
Oh,
Just for
okay.
today. Tomorrow, 6 a.m. to 10 p.m.
They used to, a long time ago, open 24 hours.
Ah, yeah.
Those days are gone. I liked it because if you can eat 24 hours, they better open 24 hours.
That's pretty
Right?
much true.
Logic,
Yeah.
but,
That's pretty much true.
right?
But it closes at 10, and then the crew can have access also to the gym.
Yeah, I remember when I used to work out, the crew used to come in because I would be working out.
Yeah.
And the crew would come in and,
Yeah.
Yeah.
It is a little bit different now because the crew cannot really be interacting with like the guests in terms of like gym wise or anything like that, just to prevent certain things. Yeah.
yeah.
But
Okay.
Sorry about that.
So right now, you just have it for viewing to see where the machines are?
Pretty much, but we're also going to have a raffle in about 15 to 20 minutes.
The Carnival Firenze Fitness Center is on deck 12 forward. On our cruise, the hours were 6 a.m. to 10 p.m., but always double check your fun times or the Carnival Hub app for the exact hours on your sailing. Let me show you what to expect when you walk into the Carnival Firenze Fitness Center, aka the gym. It is not huge, but I have been in smaller ones. You will see rowing machines, treadmills, stationary bikes, spinning bikes, ellipticals, and machines for legs, arms, back, and the whole body, really. There is space for free weights and stretching too. If a gym feels a little intimidating, that's okay. Think of it as a quiet corner of the ship where you can move your body for 20 to 30 minutes and feel better the rest of the day. All the machines have TV, so there's no excuse. This is a nice gym. Look at even I know, nice. Goodbye guilt. Hello grace-filled steps. If what to expect cruise videos help you feel more ready for your next sailing, subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Tell me in the comments, are you team stairs or team elevator? Every cruise has been different for me. I have gained 4 pounds on a cruise before. I have also come home 4 pounds lighter.
Tires for your tires. You see? Tires for your tires.
The difference was my focus.
You got that?
I made it my goal to take the stairs, walk on the track for about 45 minutes to an hour after lunch and dinner. And of course, all the walking we do while shopping in ports also helps go home happy without gaining extra pounds. So it is not about being perfect. Did you hear me? It is not about being perfect.
Don't deviate from your goal, whatever that goal may be for you. That may be the goal of you being strong and staying strong for the rest of your life, living healthy for the rest of your life, fit for the rest of your life, living in the best shape of your life, period, forever. Pain-free, disease-free, inflammation-free. Doesn't that sound good? Who wants to have all those things? It's not about just living a long whole life. It's about living a pain-free life. Here's information, here's knowledge, but you have to take action. And there's a big gap in the middle. Information, action. So they both have to come together. And it's a wonderful thing. When you do that, you will see the result. You will see the fruit of your labor. So don't stop, just keep going. Keep at it day after day after day after day. Just do it, because with God, you can do all things. Keep going. Keep living a long, strong, full life. You will get there if you don't give up. Do you want the results? Just keep going.
It's about being intentional with small choices every day, even on a cruise. I like to think in little exercise snacks or short mini workouts. A few minutes on the treadmill, walking 1 or 2 laps on the track, taking the stairs instead of the elevator, walking a little extra while we shop on board and in port. These small choices or exercise snacks really add up, especially at 50 plus. You don't have to live in the gym. You just need to move on purpose. Like I always say, live life on purpose and fulfilled, because that's true. Don't sweat the small stuff. Life is very short to care about what doesn't matter. Everything takes energy, so why not invest that energy in something good, like improving your life on purpose so you can live fulfilled. When I think about staying active on a cruise, I like to remember the word MOVE, M-O-V-E. These are easy ways to think about moving your body. MOVE tips to keep in mind. M is for make time on purpose. Even 5 or 10 minutes of movement that you plan on purpose is powerful. O is for open your eyes to hidden steps, the stairs, the walking track, and all the walking we do while shopping. V is for value how you feel, not only the number on the scale. Pay attention to your energy, your joints, and your mood. E is for enjoy the cruise while you move. This is not a punishment, like I said earlier. It is part of living well. So here's what to expect from the Carnival Firenze Gym Tour. It's not the biggest gym at sea, but it has everything you need. I showed you the types of workouts I like to do and mentioned some of the machines I like to use. You may like something different, and that's perfectly fine. The best machine or workout is the one you will actually use and feel safe with. On the Carnival Firenze Gym, you will find several different machines, a view, and space to move so you can enjoy all the fun and food without feeling sluggish. If the gym feels too intimidating for you right now, that's okay. You're not a failure. You can still walk the track, take the stairs, and move around the ship. And maybe on this cruise, you only walk in, look around, and try one machine for 5 minutes. That's already a win. You're investing in your future self, not punishing your present self. Remember, a cruise is not a break from your health. It's a chance to enjoy life and still take care of your body. By the way, if your favorite exercise is walking from shop to shop, you're in the right place. Subscribe for more what to expect, cruising, food, and smart shopping after 50. Comment below and tell me, what is your biggest cruise food trap? Desserts, bread, late night snacks? I read your comments and they help me plan future videos to serve you better. Thank you so much for your support.
Are y'all ready to have fun? We on vacation. And remember, live life on purpose and fulfilled. Muchas gracias por visitar nuestro canal You Too Can Cruise. Thank you so much for visiting our channel You Too Can Cruise. Click here to subscribe in case you haven't. These are recommended videos that I selected just for you. If you want to learn more, come back for more.